You can now speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Currently, I am waiting for a moment when my brother come from abroad. He is currently in London, living in London from a long time. I am waiting him when he will come back, and I am waiting him when he will come back. Actually, he was very elder than me. He's very elder than me. He almost elder 20 years from me. I have a very great time with him, spent a very great time with him, and he's coming from after a very long time. So my all family is very excited about this, that he will coming. He was gone there in 2000. So since 2000 he had been there since 2000. So he only came back in for one time after that period. Last time when I call him, he asked me when I will come back. We will go to the northern area. So I'm very excited to go there with him, because as I told you that I'm spent a very good time. I spent a very good time with him. So he's my favorite personality. I always admire him because he always give me motivation. He always asks me to work hard if you want to achieve something in your life. So I always admire him. I always look at him, what he's doing, and I always follow him. So it was a good. It is a very excited time that I have to waiting for him.
Okay, thank you. You spoke for 1 minute and 48 seconds. Overall, it's good, but there are several grammatical mistakes. Like when you started, you said, my brother come from abroad. It should have been, my brother will come from abroad. Okay. Then you said, I am waiting him. It should have been, I am waiting for him. Then you said, he's elder than me. Elder is not the comparative one. You should say, he is older than me. Elder brother, but older than me. For comparison, you use older. And otherwise, if you want to say he is my elder brother, younger brother, so then you can use elder. But you cannot say he is elder than me. He is older than me. Then you said he will coming. Now, he will come. Then you said he was gone there. It should have been he went there, not he was gone there. Then you said I am spend. It should have been I spend. Then you said I spended. Spend is first form, spent with T, and spent with T, third form, second and third form. Then you said he always, and you use this word always with every sentence, quite a lot. Try to avoid that as well. And then at the end you said excited time. It should have been exciting time. It will be exciting time and all that. So mainly these type of mistakes are frequent. Looking at all that, at present I'll give you 5. But in order to improve, your area number 1 is grammar. That's it. Okay?
Thank you so much.